Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how to make an Instagram reel and how to add music to it. So you've all probably seen these, some of you have done it. So here's an example of one I did earlier about my son. Can you hear that? Okay, so that one was, the song was like this really cool song that was trending. It goes, hey, I want the G with the big boys, you want the bamba. I thought it was really cool, and I put it on my own account. I wouldn't use it for Family Fun Canada. In fact, I did the same video on Family Fun Halifax, and I used the other trendy song, Blinded by the Lights. So basically, the reason to use songs is because it's fun, it grabs people's attention, but also the Instagram algorithm connects users who are enjoying the same songs. So if you use a song that's trending, like for example, Edmonton got tons of tons of views on their Monster Mash song that was attached to a reel. It's probably in part because everyone else was using the Monster Mash over Halloween, and so it kind of was trending. So anyway, let me show you how to do it. I can't promise this one will trend because I've got something exciting planned for you. So just above my profile, I'm going to add hit the plus button. I'm going to create a reel. I have only allowed Instagram to have access to some of my photos to avoid that selfie fiasco that happened yesterday. And I've chosen a lovely photo of my husband learning to play the drums. Okay, poor guy.
Haha, you can't do it.
There's me making fun of him. So I'm going to hit add. And that doesn't mean it's up yet. Don't worry. Don't freak out. And I'm going to hit that P, which I think is post, but it doesn't actually post it yet. Okay, so here we have now the screen. I don't know if you can hear him. He's still drumming along.
You can't do it.
I'm just going to turn that down so you can hear me. I can add music, effects. I can add stickers. I can draw on it, right? And I can erase that as well. Okay. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff. It's kind of weird.
You can't do it.
Done. What I'm going to show you is how to add music. So here we are, dear old Mike. The camera audio I'm going to turn right down. Nobody wants to hear him playing the drums. On the bottom here you have music, voiceover, sound effects. Sound effects I haven't really used before. You could put a fart in there. Why not? Done. Did that? I don't know. Voiceover? No, not right now. Like, I'm not experienced enough to use these. Music. All right. Let's put in Rush. I had searched for Rush earlier because I kind of planned this for you. Rush. Nice. All right, let's turn that baby up. Much better. Done. Okay, done. And then if I wanted to, I could add an effect, something glittery. No. Can I search on that? Can we search glitter? Okay, so once you've edited your video to your liking, you've added music or whatever, you can write a caption. This is really important. You should write something really, same as in a post, write something really exciting. Drums! Woo! And your hashtag strategy streaming is on here too. So outfit of the day. Right. You can tag people. Can you tag people? Like, see, let's tag Family Fun Halifax. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to erase that. All right, okay. And also share the feed. Yes, no, I think that means it goes in the grid. Tag people. Yeah, I could tag anybody. I could tag Rush if I wanted to. Add a collaborator. Collaborator means that they can share the story in their grid too. It's kind of handy. Done. All right, should I share it? Oh, fuck! It's, oh, look, there's this. Okay, did it go? What happened? Yes. Oh my God, it's gone into my grid. It's gone into my reels. And because it went into my grid, I could actually send it out as a story, right? So that's like 3 ways. Then I can tag more people, do more things, watch full reel. I'm definitely not going to put a picture of my husband wearing his pajamas all over the internet because that's just weird. Can I delete it? Yeah. See those 3 buttons? Delete. Bye, Mike. Love you.
You want to bamba? You want to bamba? You want to G with the big boy?
Yeah. Okay, listen, guys, that's just kind of an example of how much fun reels can be, but also how messy they can be. Really, if you're not hugely into Instagram, like you might not want to bother right now, but they are a lot of fun. So yeah, have fun. Obviously, I'm not an expert at them, but that's kind of where I am right now with them. Now you know everything I know. Okay, guys, thanks very much.